About you, it's about always about customer. So be a spongy. Employees at Nike are encouraged to be curious, open to new ideas, whatever their source, they are encouraged, curious, they are for new ideas and innovation in their blood. So seventh principle, evolve immediately. Never ever, because see, time is going, you are already in a risk. So never ever do procrastination or perfectionism. Just immediately evolve. Nike sees itself as a being in the perpetual motion, viewing change as a key source of innovation. Always change is the innovation. If you don't change, you will not survive.